Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that the bull token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Be your own research for the investing. According to the website, thebull.com is now on chain on Robinhood blockchain. People can join here, spread the way of the bull, not affiliated with blockchain like Robinhood. The bull is a meme coin created for entertainment purpose only. It has no intrinsic value or expectation financial return and no roadmap beyond vibes, not affiliated with, endorsed by or associated with Robinhood markets. Please do your own research before investing. The bull token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion bull token. Bull token is listed on Uniswap V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.